So this is how we can avoid. So in the last two programs, what I've done, I have removed the boilerplate code just by using some simple plugin. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, see. Yes, yes. See. Simply, I have navigated to. I have now navigated to that particular app number 3, and what I can do now here to start that, you need not to go with the Visual Studio Code. You can directly start executing from the your command prompt. npm space start. Okay. From here also you can execute the React application. The same kind. See, this is the same. This is the terminal that is generally displayed right here. Okay. So this is compiled successfully. See, man, this is compiled successfully, and this is a React arrow function using ES7 plugin. As simple as that. Okay. Just closing it. Okay. Press Control C and give the Y as an input. So the server will be stopped. I'm exiting this function. Now let us use the objects. Do you know the difference between the variables and arrays? Generally, variable means used to store one value. Okay, and what is array? Used to store multiple values of same type in a single variable using same name. Okay, what is object then? What is the difference between array and object? Array means a numbered index, whereas object means a named index. That's what I have told in the JavaScript. You can just refer the JavaScript videos, difference between the object and arrays. Just go through the YouTube channel, go through our YouTube channel and just refer that concept. Okay, you'll understand. Right, fine. I'm going to create another application. np m space npm np npx space app05 using object. Do not use the capitals. Remember, whenever you're giving the application name, do not use the capital letters. Okay. Using object, array object, or else It's also very simple, okay. So keep quiet or get out of my plan. Okay, guys, happy hacking. Let us go to the CD app 05 npm space start. I'm going to start the application and I'll be opening the source and going to the src app.js. So it will start in 1 minute. Just look at this code, man. Payload. Hmm. Default man. Yes, it is compiled successfully. Now look at this one. Let's open the browser and we can see the output here. So this is our output. Okay. Now see this. I'll be removing this one. We're removing the whole code. So what is the shortcode for creating the class? RCC and enter. So this is my code. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, see this h1 hello, and we have, how to define the class variables, right? How we can create a class variables simply by using some var max equal to location. Can definitely do something like this. Okay, x equal to location. Now what I'm going to do is this dot x. I'm saving it.